Did you know that your identity formation actually shapes how your brain makes decisions? Science shows this process is like building a mental compass that guides your life choices. When young adults interact with others, especially romantic partners, they're actually developing crucial parts of their self-identity. Research reveals that couples who explore their core values together through specialized therapy make better life decisions. This happens because our brains are wired to develop stronger cognitive functions when we understand ourselves better. Picture two people working together like puzzle pieces. As they discover their individual values, they're simultaneously strengthening their ability to make smarter choices. This process, rooted in Erikson's developmental psychology, shows that people who have a clearer sense of self navigate life's challenges more effectively. When partners explore their identities together, they're not just building a stronger relationship, they're literally rewiring their brains for better decision-making. Ever wondered how your relationships might be shaping who you're becoming?